sure what the issue is here. No check engine light, no code. Nothing. All I can tell you is it smells like it's running kind of hot right now. Blowing a small amount of white smoke. And it died. And the car is filling up with smoke. Pop the hood. Let's see where the hell the smoke is coming from. The smoke is coming from, I don't know if you can see it, but it's coming from that pipe right there. Most of it, I think. Engine heated up super quick. Seems pretty gutless to me.